Now I'll be covering the one sample t-test. A one sample t-test is used to compare the mean of a single sample to a predetermined value or the population mean or a hypothesized value or a benchmark. For example, you might be using a one sample t-test to determine if the average age of retiring in a certain population is 65 or if the weight of a new type of apple is significantly different from the industry standard, etc. So in this test, I've chosen my dependent variable as change noticed. And the first thing I did was click on normality test and the QQ plot. So the normality test or the Shapiro-Wilk test will tell me if my data is normal or not. Here the p-value is greater than 0.05, hence my data is normal. And the QQ plot indicates the same because all the observations, all the dots are somewhat along the regression line. So the data is normal and hence we can go ahead with the student's t-test. The value of p here is much lesser than 0.05, which indicates that the alternative hypothesis that yes, there is a change notice and it's different from the general populace should be accepted. The alternative hypothesis should be accepted and the null hypothesis is rejected. Now, a new factor that I want to talk about here is the Cohen-D effect size. What is effect size is basically the measure of magnitude or strength of the relationship between two or more groups in a population. If the effect size is greater, then the power of the test will also be higher. So here an effect size of 2.44 is pretty high, so the power of this test is high. Thank you.